Happy birthday, Drip, everybody. Thought I'd quickly jump on here, have a little fun, take a little load off. It's been kind of a crazy week, with the animal farm and the delay and getting everything. So today is about Drip. Today is about the faucet. Today is about my team getting some free Drip and about you learning how you can get involved in Drip if you haven't already. So let's get into it. All right, so if you're not in Drip, the first thing you got to do is whatever exchange you use, whether it's Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase, crypto.com. I mean, I have all of those and I use them all for different reasons. Send money on certain ones. I like to hold money on other ones, but a good one that I like to use for depositing into my bank account and then buying stuff to send to my Metamask wallet is binance.us, right? So you're on here and you buy some BNB, okay? And then once you have the BNB and your funds clear, you would then withdraw it. Obviously, I don't have any right now, but basically it would give you a wallet address that you are sending it to. And you want to make sure that when you send it, you're sending it on the Binance Smart Chain, so BSC. You come over to the faucet and you got to connect your wallet. So actually, I'm going to open my Metamask wallet. And as you can see, I'm on the Avalanche network. So what I got to do is I got to change it and get on the Smart Chain network, which is what Drip is on, Binance Smart Chain. Now I can connect wallet. You hit connect. Now it's connecting. And here we go. All right, so this is my faucet. Now, if you're new to this, you'd come on. Obviously, all of this would be 0. And what you want to do actually is instead of the faucet, you want to come over to the swap and you want to buy Drip. Now, I actually have to get some BNB. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to get it from the BUSD, my wallet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go on PancakeSwap. So I have it as one of my bookmarks. It's always good to the sites that you go on the most that are exchanges or the different protocols that you're in. It's always good to bookmark them so you know that you're going to them as opposed to potentially going just straight out online, finding it and it not being the actual site. So here I am, and I'm going to connect my wallet to PancakeSwap. All right, and it's connecting. And we're going to switch this to BUSD, which I have $984 in BUSD. And I want to buy some BNB. And the amount, let's see here, 200, that should be enough, $200, which is that. So that's going to change my BUSD to BNB. Swap. I'm going to confirm that. It tells you the fees, which on Binance is not a lot. Confirm. Confirm swap. Transaction submitted. And it did. And now it's showing my balance. So we come over here. I come over here and you're going to buy Drip. I'm already connected. See how it's showing my balance of BNB? 0.389 is the 4.22. We're going to hit buy. Once again, shows you the gas fees. You hit confirm. And you can see here, it's just processing the order. Successful. Boom. And there we go. Now I have that Drip. Now, if you're new and you're making the deposit, you would just come over here to this part, hit max, and then you hit deposit. And then it goes into your available. I'm not going to deposit. Instead, I'm going to be airdropping this into my team. If you want to get into Drip, you need to have a buddy code, which I will leave down below with all the instructions of what I'm doing now. And part of being on a team, I have 11 people so far, and they have actually, there's been, I think one person got 2 more people involved. So once you get into Drip, you can then make money referring it to friends and family and things like that. And you just get a nice bonus for each referral you get, which doesn't come from the person you're referring it to, but comes from a reward pool that's within the protocol based off the taxes and stuff. But right now I'm taking this 4.27 drip and I'm going to be sending it out to people on my team. Something that everybody leaders should do. They should be airdropping. Find someone that's good at doing that and does it on a regular basis. I like to hook my people up. If you want to get on a team where the buddy leader likes to airdrop and be generous, join my buddy address down below. All right, so I'm going to be sending total of 6 members of my team are going to be getting this drip. I've selected you here, got some of the new people that came in, and anyone over $10, or I'm sorry, anyone over 10 drip deposits is getting some free drip from me. And hit the send button. Got to confirm that, of course. Now listen, you don't have to make referrals to get money from drip. I've done it for months without getting referrals. I've only just started because I started the YouTube channel. You can make tons of money without getting referrals. It's just an added bonus. If you like the protocol when you're in it, you'll be more inclined to tell friends and family if they want to get it, but you don't have to. Confirm. Now it's just going to be sending through. So to my team members, you got some drip coming your way. Birthday time, birthday for drip. We're going crazy. Animal Farm will get back to normal. And let me just confirm this. Y'all can see me doing this. You have proof that I'm doing it. Estimated drip per person, you're almost getting 1 drip for free today. As I build up more and we get bigger, the airdrops will be bigger as we continue to go. So patience with me. More's on the way. Come join my team, and would love to have you on board. So anyway, that's it. Drip's birthday. We're going big. Come join the team, and I'll see you guys on the next one.